How to remove the rear door to fix the rattle noise inside. It's very simple. All you need is a T27 screwdriver. First, we need to unscrew the two bolts. One under the handrest, and the other under the unlock button. So, you just unscrew them with the T27 screwdriver. Now to take the panel out, it's very easy. Just wiggle from the top, wiggle and pull from the top. Once it's loose, the whole panel can come out easily. First, you can check the window side. There is lots of wires. So just put some foam tape on wherever there is noise. Also this emergency pull trigger. Make sure to put some tape on it as well. Most of the annoying noise is coming from here. Now, on the panel side, do the same, put some tape or foam on whatever there are loose wires. And the plastic clips too. Put some foam tape on it. Put it back is just the opposite. Place it on top of the railing. Make sure it's aligned. Then push it straight in. Don't forget the two bolts as well. Screw it back in. Comment below for any other places with rattle noise, and I will make a video on how to fix it. Bye guys.